Oh, it's working. Test. I don't know. This is a few tests in. So I had to edit the post processor to make sure it posts every single line and not skip an X or a Y, even if it doesn't move. And that seems kind of weird, but the reason for all that silliness is because it needs every single move to calculate the direction of movement currently. So I got that figured out, and now it's working fairly well. So this is the first real test, if you will, and it's not bad. It ain't perfect, but it's working. I'm running at a pretty good speed. It's not terrible, it's not great, but it's all right. So really, we'll find out here how this thing works. The U is counting continuously. As you can see there, Z is staying in the same position. I've actually got it at like 400% right now. If there's a way I can change this bar speed factor up past 300, someone let me know. I don't think I can calibrate that how I wish it though. But yeah, I had to go in here and hack the post processor yet again to get Fusion here to actually spit out the right code so that we could plop it in this guy and export it and actually get our G code correct. So I post the dump and found out that like right here, you know, this one doesn't move. This line right here stays the same the whole time. So over here on the G code, it skips it. So we can't have that. So in order to make that work, I went in here, like I said, and edited the code at the very beginning to force true X, Y, so that it always works. Oh, Malachi's happy. Hey, Malachi, what's up, dude? Be alright. Anyway, great camera work, Russ. So anyway, so yes, it is working. This is number 44 wire, and I don't have the spacing just right in the G code, so there is spaces between the wire. That's on purpose, so to speak. But yeah, I got 44 AWG wire on here. This coil actually is a actual test coil. I'm going to be sending this off to someone, and you know who you are. Hopefully you'll get this one right here. Now I've got a steel roller on there. I've got a rubber roller. I want to play with both and see how it works. I actually had the vacuum table turned on when I started, and then after the first couple of layers got laid down, I turned it off because it doesn't really need it. So we'll see if this thing finishes and how it looks. God bless you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.